In a big development, farmers have decided to intensify protests along the border areas and not go anywhere. Now, farmers have turned down centre's conditional talks offer. The agitating farmers have put forth three big demands, including rolling back of laws, releasing their detained leaders and also decreasing fuel prices. They say that they will block UP-Rajasthan borders in the coming days. Alok Singh is joining us live from Singhu border right now. So Alok, no resolution in sight. This time farmers have rejected the offer made by Home Minister himself. What are the main reasons that have been given by farmers to do so?
Yes, so as of now, the farmers' meeting has already been ended, and in fact, they have specifically put three demands before the central government. That first is they want the rollback of all these three farmers' bill that was passed 2 months ago, and in fact, they also want the release of the farmers or the leaders who were arrested during the time of their protest in Punjab or Haryana while they were protesting against the farmers' bill, and also they want the decrease of the fuel prices. So these are the three demands they have put before the central government right now. But the very specific point that they have made, that they are not going to leave these borders, whether it's Tikri border, whether it's Singhu border where right now I'm standing, and in fact the Uttar Pradesh's Ghazipur Ghaziabad border. In fact, they are also saying that in the coming days the other borders, whether it's Rajasthan border or also Uttar Pradesh's other border, will also be in fact blocked till their demands are not met. So this is what the farmers have categorically. They have said that they are not going to leave this Singhu border. This is very important intersection that is connecting Delhi and Chandigarh, but this road will be blocked. If you see, farmers are standing, and in fact my video journalist is showing you that there is a stage has also been put up. So complete the road is taken over by the farmer. This is the highway, and at least 2 kilometers of this highway is completely filled with the farmers and their tractors and trolleys. So definitely it is not easy for the government to remove them from this place. Right now they are not ready to go to Buradi. The Buradi was option given by the central government.
Alok, I'll come back to you for more updates, but right now I have to cut across to